Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nordamia binti Muhammad Hafiz, metric number 286764, the group leader of this group assignment, and my team members are Nur Yasmin Batricia binti Ahmad, metric number 287018, Nur Alia Hazwani binti Rosli, metric number 286527, Nur Azira Najwa binti Muhammad Lazi, metric number 286898, Nurul Adawiyah binti Muhammad Nasir, metric number 286842, Fabelia Laura Lawrence, metric number 286524, and lastly Nur Atirah binti Cik Abdul Rahim, metric number 286834. Hi everyone, let's start our presentation with 1.0. What is management?
Management is described as the process of working with and through people to accomplish organization goals in a changing environment. Another approach to look at management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and regulating organizational resources in order to achieve organizational goals in an effective and efficient manner.
2.0. What is organization? Organization can be described as people working together as a group to achieve a certain goal. This group of people have their own responsibilities in their organization, like assembling or congregating at one place and contributing their efforts to achieve the same goal. Meanwhile, organizing is the process of creating effective authority connections among specified tasks, people, and work locations so that the group may operate effectively together. Hence, that is why organization is very important in management, because organization can be considered as the backbone of a management. Objectives of organization. There are 4 objectives of organization. Objective number 1, to administer the economy in production. Objective 2, to serve the society. Objective 3, to economize the use of available resources. And lastly, Objective 4, to establish healthy relations between labor and capital. In this group assignment, our organization is iHome, a home and furnishing company. At iHome, we sell various types of home accessories and furniture. iHome will offer plenty of choices of home accessories and furniture with great and affordable prices.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Alia Hazwani binti Rosli. Mission: become a well-known home furnishing company with cheap price and high quality. Everyone can buy and use home furnishing at an affordable price and comfort to the customer. Next vision: to spread happiness every day to everyone. We want to create the comfort and luxury of products that can be used every day. Our logo is simple but luxurious. This vision is to give many people a feel of affordable and high quality home furnishing products. Everyone can use their favorite home furnishings. Objective: first, to be the main center for the purchase of home furnishings in Malaysia. Second, supplying home furnishing materials and products that follow the latest trends that meet the demand in the market. Lastly, create products that have various design, multi-purpose, and high quality and at affordable price.
Next, 4.0, the management function, POLC.
Planning. Planning is one of the most crucial components of running an organization in a well-organized manner. We can set a vision and mission for the short and long term via planning. One of the elements of management is the planning process, which allows us to create goals. Planning is an important management producer of ensuring that a company's future is clear If a core operating has a clear vision of the future, it will be able to provide good results according to plan.
Next, we move to the second management function, which is organizing. So, organizing is a part of management that create an organization structure and deploying human resource to achieve the company goals. And in order to reach the organization goals, organizing is much needed as it is the action of arranging and distributing jobs. So, organizing entails describing the course of action for achieving the organization goals, such as assigning this job to the department within an organization and entrusting responsibility and authority for the performance. And usually, the structure of the organization will be represented by an organization chart. So, this chart will show the chain of command inside an organization. Decisions about an organization structure are commonly referred to as organization design decision, and the decision must include details like duties and responsibilities of the job and the manner on how the duties will be carried out. So the decision about the jobs within the organization is called job design decision. So move on to the next one. So this is our company organization chart. So we have a president on the top, following by the director, and we have a marketing roles that in charge in company marketing, a secretary, a product team, and a staff. So this is what our company organization chart look like. So all the roles given has their own duties and responsibilities to achieve the company goal.
Hello, my name is Febelia Laura Lawrence with metric number 286524. So now I'm gonna talk about leading. Leading is defined as motivating employees and influencing their behavior to achieve the organizational goals and objective, and also focus on managing employees, motivate and otherwise influence people or their employees to work hard to achieve the organization's objective, and also involves leadership, communication skills, motivation, teammates, and the last one is decision making. So the leaders in our company will manage their employees by our own management styles in order to adapt to different situations. And some leadership still skills that our company use is such as democratic coaching, directing, and supporting the employees. Democratic. This leadership style is more to share information with the employees and also members of the organization to be able to participate in the decision-making process. And also, this leadership style can engender trust and develop team spirit or cooperation from employees, and also allows for creativity and help the employers grow and develop. For example, our manager can share some knowledge with the employees or other members in this organization about how to create or build other designs of our company product. Secondly is coaching. Coaching is also one of the leading ways that the managers in our company can do to make the employees work cooperatively and also indirectly build trust with their team members and as an organization. And also this way will help the employees who need managerial support to develop and improve their skills. Thirdly is directing. For these leadership skills, the managers will decide something with a little input from the employer. So this is a good way and the most effective way for the employer, especially new employees who want interaction or need direction and training in this organization. Lastly is supporting. Support is also one of the things that our managers in this company can do, and it refers to how the managers support all the employees with more focus on building relationships between the team members in our company. For example, our managers will lead the employees in their performance while doing their jobs either in manufacturing or others. So, this leadership is also more effective for those employees who still need to develop their skills. That's all from me. Thank you. So now I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazrana binti Muhammad Lazi and my metric number is 286898. So I want to present about controlling. Controlling is a phase in monitoring production to achieve the organization objective. Every manager is responsible for overseeing and analyze the activity of his or her subordinates. iHome, which is our company, for instance, has access to strips that it may utilize to release this objective for control. The first point is establish standard. The plan or the goal that need to fulfill for a company function to be great as effective hour are known as standard, and iHome is the firm that developed this standard. There are also sometimes referred to the character that are utilized in the process of performing performance evaluation. Every division within iHome is required to establish its own standard and goal that they intend to attain. Next point is measuring performance. Since the actual performance can be measured, it is straightforward to identify any variance that may exist. The performance of employee at iHome is depend on their attitude toward their work and their moral. The employee of iHome need to undergo a change in their perspective regarding the physical environment in which they work and the way they communicate with higher up. Next is compare performance to the set standard. This compare how much the actual performance is different from the standard. When the actual performance is compared to the goals that have been established, not only can resources to be used to their full potential, but the efficiency of production will also grow. At iHome, the comparison between the performance of each staff member and the goal that they have set is presented in the form of a line chart, while the performance of each department is presented in the form of flow chart. The last point is take corrective action. For each employee performance, their percentage of target achievement is compared to what they were given, and appropriate action are taken in accordance with the policy of the organization. If an employee performance has been excellent over the past few months, no discipline action will be taken against them. Taking corrective action is essential, or the company may lose business in the future if our staff begin to treat their job as a slum down. That's all from me. Thank you.
Lastly, conclusion. In conclusion, mismanagement forgoes our resources and jeopardizes our well-being, whereas effective management is the way to a better world. A great organization and management will surely help the company to strive for the better and increase the efficiency of the company. In a company, these four types of management functions, which are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, are very important to maintain the sustainability of a company. This is because sustainability can make sure the company achieves the organization goal. Hence, the company will become more successful and can compete with other companies. That's all for our group presentation. Thank you for listening.